Now we are taking the video of installing for the label mixer. Actually, we already provided the English manual, but we can send you the video also. Here, this first way. This is for lock the containers. We are installing the blenders of the machine, and for this one we should use this tool to push into the holes, so open inside. We have different designs for selected. All can be used with one sticker. Okay, now we are screwing the blender on it. The first step, and then push into it. Here, the length can be adjusted. The lock is okay, based on you. Then we should lock it. Okay, now we install it. And you should take care of the heat for the blenders and this type. So now, okay, installing is finished. Now, the machine is installed like this, and actually this for holding small caps, and for big ones it's no use, so we take it off. Okay. Then we should adjust the height. 好，现在你现在这样。Then lock it. It's okay. Actually, here for this machine, this is for showing the speed of the machine is working now, and this is the power switch, and this is the speed can change the speed. It's gear speed changing, and here is the speed that can be selected from here. And the first one, it will be at a lower speed because we open it as 2 grade. It can be the speed of you can change. When it at a higher speed, the motor will be a little front. Now it's at the first gauge. The speed, the maximum speed is 500 RPM. Fluctuation is the first gauge. First grade. First grade, the maximum speed is 500 RPM, and now we change it. Now it's at the second stage. Then lock it. When you hear the invoice is locked, okay, we open it again. The speed will be more faster. And at the second grade, the speed can be, maximum speed can be 2000 RPM. Now it's only 989. Okay, stop it. Okay.